Today we're going to be fixing a broken Starbucks Barista EL60 with a worn impeller. We start by taking off the timer switch and removing both the hopper and grind bin. After this, we remove the ring burr from the top. To take off the main cover, we use a flathead screwdriver and push, followed by a twist for each of the 4 tabs. After this, the top cover will just slide off in 2 parts, the black section and the silver section. The black part and silver part are separate, so be careful with that. To remove the motor assembly and cone burr, we first remove the 3 screws and then carefully lift up the section. One thing you want to be cautious of is all of the wires and the connections. You don't want to tug on them too hard. Finally, to take out the cone burr and impeller, we unscrew the bottom nut clockwise because it's reverse threaded. I had to use an impact driver because it had previously been over tightened. You can push the drive shaft all the way in, and this will let you take out the burr and impeller. If the impeller is very stuck, just use a flathead screwdriver and pry it out. As the impeller is really worn out, I'm going to take some quick measurements so I can design a new one. With the measurements in hand, I open up Blender and start creating the new file. After a quick 10-minute print, the impeller is almost ready. All it needs now is a little cleanup and we can reinstall it. Here we can see the difference between the old worn down impeller and the new one that we just printed. To put everything back together, just follow the reverse order of what you did. I hope this video helped you out, and the rest of it will just be the assembly with some music in the background. Thanks for watching.